Kelowna streets came alive with color and excitement on Saturday as thousands gathered to celebrate Vaisakhi, a significant event in the Sikh community. The annual celebration, held at the Kelowna Sikh Temple on Rutland Road, marked both the Sikh New Year and the Spring Harvest Festival. The day's festivities kicked off at 12 p.m. with a parade that began on Sumac Road and made its way to the temple by 2 p.m. Participants dressed in traditional attire joined the procession, which was filled with music, dancing, and community spirit. At the Sikh temple, dozens of vendors set up booths in the parking lot, offering a variety of delicious food for festival goers to enjoy. The celebration extended beyond the temple as residents along the parade route joined in the festivities. Many set up food booths in their front yards, handing out snacks to the community. For Castanet News, I'm Madison Reeve in Kelowna.